Etsy. Oh, dude, not the jewel, man. Okay, post World Finals. Handlebar still here. Super glue on my hands. Rip. Furitek. This is Tony's CCXRC's exclusive. Son of a bitch. And then this is the new jewel. Oh my God. I got a big old fat 2-cell in there. But on my other trucks are on 3-cell. This truck actually has a Furitek transmission transfer case just like this guy right here. Pretty decent speed on 3-cell. Pretty fun. This thing on 2-cell is, no lie, at least twice as fast. Like that truck wide open barely makes this gap. This truck right here, if you can keep it straight because it's so fast, it will jump from there into that bedroom. So yeah, ridiculous. Okay, Race is going for the double. Go for it. Okay, not quite. Oh, biscuit. Okay, if I can keep this sucker straight, no problem. Oh.
No way.
All right, next we're gonna do, oh, whoa, backflip challenge. Okay. Perfect, okay. All right, my go. Get me lined up there, dude. I'm one-handing it right now. Okay, remember his is on 3-cell Furitek system. This is the Tony CCXRC edition Furitek truck. Rampart. Okay, got me lined up. Landed it. Okay, next on my little pod here, this is our like send it ramp. It's got a nice transition. The rest of them I kind of screwed up on. But now we're gonna go for the send it ramp challenge. Go ahead, Race. Oh, that sounds terrible. We're gonna need to bleep that. Not allowed to do that anymore. Bleep. Oh, pretty good. Okay, whoa. Let me get this hot rod over here. You go for the step up. Oh, okay. Race is swapped up to the Tiny Titans chassis here. It's actually pretty quick on 3-cell. The little Chizo eBay motor, which runs hot, but still fast. But does not want any of this sucker right here. Oh, biscuit. Oh, biscuit.
You don't want any of that. Oh. You should have kept that.
I did? Oh, that was nice too. Oh, reverser. Oh, just cut me off, huh? Ooh. Yeah, aluminum chassis. Feels great on the feet. I love it. It's my new favorite move.
It feels so bad.
Oh. Oh, that was nice.
You should have got that on video, Dad. Backflip. Little moon.
I probably did get it on in the background. Oh, biscuit. Don't even think about it, dude. Don't even think about it. Oh! Oh. Race wanted to try the Furitek CCXRC edition. Oh. I told you, dude. It is so fast. Go for big air. Oh, dude. You gotta learn to deal with the power of that 2-cell. Oh my God. You gotta try to land on the wheels, dude. Jeez. I don't think you're gonna break it, but you're gonna break the controller. All right, so Tony hooked me up with this thing like almost a week ago at Monster Jam World Finals. I didn't have much of a chance there. I played with it in the locker room for a minute, but now that I've got it home in the 1/24 scale dojo, on our track, our jumps, we're having a blast with this thing, me and Race are. First thing, the most obvious thing is this thing absolutely is insanely fast. Like those trucks, I run these trucks on 3-cell. This one has a Furitek system in it on 3-cell. That one has like a little Chinese motor on 3-cell, pretty quick, but they're not even half as fast as this thing. And this thing's on 2-cell. So, yeah, I don't even want to put a 3-cell battery in this thing. It would be insane. It's already like almost impossible to, I can't get it topped out in my area. There's not enough space. So, I just love this thing, man. It's all aluminum chassis, super solid. Dual shocks, looks awesome. And then the axles, they're sweet, man. Ring and pinions. They coast when you let off the gas. And no, you know, so none of the drag brake stuff. When you let off the gas in these, they'll like do a stoppie. They're locked up. You know, you can't even barely get them to spin. This thing coasts. I've got some shocks from Tony too that I might be putting on here. I might try to work out on there. They're gonna be a little bit more travel, so that'll be sweet. I love all the travel. These shocks work great, honestly. Like, well, really, what I need to do is just knock it off, put a battery in it, and play because it's awesome. But I just can't help myself. I get tinkering. And also, Race, come check this out, dude. Come over here. Come look at this. Body straight off the Spin Master. Dude. Man, look at that. Okay. Sorry, everybody. Your mini monster truck is no longer cool. See you later.